Dear students, I am Mr. Narendra Jangle from Gokhale Education Society's Arambhat High School, Parel. Today we are going to study class 10th Maths 2 Geometry, first chapter Similarity. From that chapter we are going to study the theorem of areas of similar triangles. That is only for similar triangles. The statement is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So let us see, students, theorem of areas of similar triangles. The statement of that theorem is given here. When two triangles are similar, means here this theorem is useful only for the similar triangles. Don't make a confusion between the ratio of areas of triangles and the ratio of areas of similar triangles. These three properties are different from this theorem. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means here in this figure, if we consider, from that we have to draw the figure. If these two triangles are there, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. So what is given here? So write the given from the figure. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, that is given. Then what we have to prove? The left hand side is ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. That means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Means if ABC and PQR are similar, then AB and PQ, this is one of the pair of corresponding sides. BC and QR, second pair of corresponding sides, and AC and PR, third pair of corresponding sides. So what this theorem says? The ratio of areas is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Means AB square upon PQ square, or is equal to what we can write? BC square upon QR square. This is the second pair, or AC square by PR square. No need to prove all three. We can prove only one. Then similarly we can write other things. Now here construction is there. In textbook directly that is given in the given statement, but it is a step, because what is given? Only these are two similar triangles. So draw AD perpendicular PC and PS perpendicular QR. This is our construction. Now if you observe these figures, see this figure, triangle ABC. Here BC is the base shown by the green color, AD is the height. So we get the area of triangle ABC as half base into height. Similarly here PQR is the given triangle, base is QR and height is PS. So in proof, first statement is area of triangle ABC equals half into BC into AD. This is the formula to find the area of triangle. And Second thing, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base QR into height PS. So this is the simple formula to calculate the area of triangle. Now consider our left hand side, ratio of their areas. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, right, numerator half BC into AD divided by here half QR into PS. This half get cancelled. So what we get, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is this ratio? This ratio is equal to, we can write here, BC upon QR into, this can be written as AD upon PS. This is our statement number 1. So simple property, this area of triangle, using this area of triangle, formula of area of triangle, we get our first statement. Now our next step. So our next step is third step. In triangle ABD or ADB and triangle PSQ. If we consider these two triangles ADB and PSQ, so here angle B congruent angle Q. Here reason is, here it is the reason, corresponding angles of similar triangles, CAST, that is the reason in the reason part. Second angle, angle ADB congruent angle PSQ, each 90 degree. Observe this figure. See here, ADB, this is the triangle, and PSQ, this is the triangle. So this B congruent Q. Why? Because ABC and PQ are, these are the similar triangles. You know, corresponding angles of similar triangles are congruent. And this ADB 90 because perpendicular, PSQ. So in these two triangles 1 and 2, AA test, these triangles become similar. Two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, and therefore these two triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore triangle ADB similar triangle PSQ reason AA test of similarity. So here we prove this triangle ADB similar triangle PSQ. And you know, when two triangles are similar, what about their corresponding sides? Their corresponding sides are in proportion. So directly we can write the next step here. This ADB and PSQ are similar, therefore AD upon PS, AD upon PS is equal to this AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ. So this is our statement number 2. AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ. But next step, but triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, that is given, and therefore their corresponding sides, this AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. This is our statement number 3. Now from 1 to 3, what we can write? Here it is our statement number 1. Observe this one. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AD by PS. Now this AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ, and AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So instead of AD by PS, directly we can substitute BC by QR. So this becomes area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is that statement number 1? BC by QR into AD by PS. But AD by PS is nothing but AB by PQ, and AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So we get BC by QR into AD by PS is equal to BC by QR. So here from we can write the reason 1, 2 and 3. So from 1 to 3, is it clear? Here 1 is BC by QR is equal to AD by PS. Sorry, BC by PR into AD by PS is here. Here this statement, AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ. AD by PS means, suppose this is A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Therefore A equal to C. So this property of mathematics, first one is congruent to second one, then second one is congruent to third one, and therefore first and third are congruent, means AD by PS is equal to BC by QR. That is our main thing here. So instead of this AD by PS, we substitute this value BC by QR and we get BC square upon QR square. So in this way we can prove this theorem. Is it clear? Now let us see one sum or solve example from this one based on this theorem. One example is there. Suppose triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. These are two triangles, and what is given? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 16. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 25. Then find the value of AB upon PQ. Find the value of this ratio. So how can we write the answer? We use this theorem of areas of similar triangles that we have to use in exercise 1.4 also. First step, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. This is given. Then use theorem of areas of similar triangles. Area, these two triangles are similar, therefore ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, and here it is reason, theorem of areas of similar triangles. So this is the reason. Now substitute the value ABC. The area is given 16 divided by PQR, it is given 25, is equal to AB square upon this PQ square. Now taking roots of both sides. So here square root of 16 is 4 and square root of this 25 is 5, is equal to square root of AB square is AB and PQ square is PQ. So we get the value AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. So in this way we can use this theorem of areas of similar triangles. So student, I hope you have understood this theorem from the first chapter, and in exercise we have to apply this theorem. This theorem may be asked for proof. This is also for proof. So student, watch the video carefully, and if you have any doubt, then write in the comment box. I will solve that doubts. And if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel and share this knowledge video to your friends. Thank you.